Module 11, Turning Uncertainty into Advantage. Uncertainty scares most people. They freeze, they panic, they wait for clarity before they move. But what if I told you, uncertainty is not the danger, certainty is, because every breakthrough ever created was born inside uncertainty. Alex stands in a quiet room holding a phone. The call just ended. A contract paused, a role uncertain, income unclear. The future suddenly feels foggy. This is the moment most people collapse, not because something bad happened, but because certainty disappeared. Alex sits down slowly. Thoughts rush in. What if this gets worse? What if I made the wrong choices? Why is this happening now? The body tightens. Breathing becomes shallow. Uncertainty sends the nervous system into survival mode. The mind looks for safety, not opportunity. This is where most people stop. Alex notices the tension, pauses, closes their eyes, and instead of asking, "How do I escape this?" Alex asks something different. What if this moment is creating space for something better? The body softens slightly. The question you ask during uncertainty determines whether it becomes a prison or a doorway. Alex walks outside. The city continues moving. Creators, builders, innovators don't wait for clarity. They move inside uncertainty. For them, uncertainty isn't danger. It's raw material. It's the space where the old path ends and the new path hasn't formed yet. This is where creators rise. Alex opens a notebook and writes, "Uncertainty equals space where new paths open." Then underneath, skills I never built, ideas I postponed, people I never contacted, paths I never explored. Certainty locks you into the old. Uncertainty invites you into the new. Alex reviews finances. Numbers feel tight. Old interpretation, this is a setback. New interpretation, this is pressure forcing evolution. Alex researches digital skills, remote work, freelance options, micro projects, new industries. Uncertainty doesn't remove opportunity. It reveals options you ignored when life felt comfortable. Alex sends one message, enrolls in one course, explores one idea. Nothing dramatic, just movement. You don't need certainty to move forward. You only need curiosity. Momentum begins with exploration. Right now, somewhere in your life, something feels unclear. What if that uncertainty is not blocking you, but pointing you toward your next level? Stay with that thought. Alex faces another uncertainty. Stay or pivot. The industry feels unstable. The path feels foggy. Old response, waiting. New response, exploring. Fog doesn't mean stop. It means slow down and look closer. Alex writes new questions. What new direction could this open? What skills would future-proof me? What version of me is trying to emerge? People who rise don't ask, "Why is this happening to me?" They ask, "What can this make possible?" Alex speaks aloud. Uncertainty expands me. I turn uncertainty into advantage. Something clicks. Identity is everything. When identity shifts, behavior follows. When behavior shifts, life responds. Weeks later, Alex connects with someone unexpected. A collaboration forms. A new direction appears. Not planned, but aligned. Most breakthroughs don't arrive through the old plan. They arrive when the old plan collapses. Uncertainty didn't block Alex. It redirected them. Now it's your turn. Identify one uncertainty in your life. Something real. Ask one powerful question. What new path does this make possible? List two opportunities it creates. Choose one. Explore it today. Even small exploration activates momentum. Alex feels doubtful about returning. They pause and say softly, "What new path is opening here?" The body relaxes. This sentence rewires fear into curiosity. Use it whenever uncertainty appears. Alex learning, reaching out, experimenting, adapting, growing, becoming more resilient, moving forward without needing guarantees. Uncertainty didn't weaken Alex, it refined them. This is the trait shared by innovators, leaders, and creators. Alex looks ahead, not with certainty but confidence. Uncertainty will appear again in your life. But now you know the truth. Uncertainty isn't chaos. It's creation. What if the moment you're most afraid of right now is the moment your future self will thank you for? You've just unlocked a rare superpower, the ability to turn uncertainty into advantage. While others freeze, you move. While others panic, you explore. While others wait, you rise. This mindset alone can change the trajectory of your entire future. If this shifted how you see uncertainty, like this video, comment "I turn uncertainty into opportunity" and subscribe to continue upgrading your personal operating system.